literally climbed a mountain in loafers. Shoe trends come and go, but one thing that always stays consistent in terms of popularity is the loafer. I always wear loafers. Got married in loafers, jumped a fence in loafers. I'm going to take you through my top 3 picks of the loafers available at Mr. Porter. First up is this timeless classic, the Lopez loafer from John Lobb. These are handcrafted in Northampton and have 190 steps in terms of the process of them being made. For me, these are the holy grail of loafers. If you're going to get a pair of loafers, you want them to be made by someone who knows what they're doing, and that is John Lobb. It's a very luxurious design. The leather is incredibly soft, has a very sort of subtle sheen, and then on the bottom is this sort of hard leather sole. John Lobb is instantly recognisable because of the way they do the stitching across the penny bridge. It's very different from what you would see on normal loafers. My next choice is the JM Weston 180 moccasin. Bit more of a sturdy, hard-wearing loafer, I would say. JM Weston shoes are made in Limoges in France and sort of combines really beautiful craftsmanship with very assertive sort of French style. These have a rubber sole. You don't want to be caught slipping in your loafers, which I have many a time. Split toe detail at the front here, which is quite a classic characteristic of a JM Weston. But overall, these are a little bit of a wider fitting loafer, I'd say. So if you do have wider fitting feet, then these are the ones for you. Very classic, elegant style. I would probably be drawn to wearing these with a little bit more of a casual look. I think they would look fantastic with jeans. Loafers and jeans are an excellent combination. My final pair of loafers from a brand called Officine Creative. They're an Italian brand, a little bit newer. They came about in the 90s. And this is their Oliver 006 leather loafer. This loafer is in a Belgian style from what we can see, this sort of shape here. Quite sort of slipper-esque, but it comes in this sort of brown pebbled leather effect. It is actually exclusive to Mr. Porter, so you'll only be able to buy that with us, obviously. The leather is incredibly soft, and so these won't take long to break in, if any time at all, to be honest. I think these would be great to wear with a wide leg sort of beige chino, but I also think because these are a little bit more of like a smarter shape, it's more interesting to kind of look to more of a workwear outfit, I think, just kind of really bringing a little bit of contrast to your outfit. Yeah, really nice shoe.